Monday, the week of Thanksgiving. My husband fixed the oven yesterday, so I'm going to get Thanksgiving groceries. Alright, we're gonna head in Aldi. Alright, just left Aldi. It was insanely busy, as expected. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but it was definitely, there were definitely a lot of people in there. Oh, my hands are so dry, but I feel germy after coming out of there. Got everything that I expected to get there, so I will have to make a stop at like one of our local grocery stores for like specific things. But yeah, not too bad. Like $84 later. But they definitely had good prices in comparison to like a lot of other places. I know they're doing like a grocery, what are they calling it? Like a Thanksgiving rewind or something. Like the prices are supposed to be pre-2020 prices. And it seemed to be pretty on point. Alright, let's go to Walmart. Alright, just left Walmart. Secured a coat. They had one coat in his size, so I grabbed it. I did not find much holiday wax. They had a few that I saw. They had like a Fraser for Better Homes and Gardens. Fraser Fur, they had a champagne one that legitimately smelled like alcohol, which I like sometimes, but I don't know, that one would maybe be nice for New Year's Eve. I wasn't feeling it. So they had that one, Fraser Fur, and really nothing else as far as like holiday scents or winter scents go. I grabbed like, what was the one that I grabbed? I grabbed one because there just really wasn't anything. Oh my goodness, so now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Apple and spiced pound cake. It smells really good. It smells kind of like, it reminds me a little bit of like apple maple bourbon from Scentsy, but like a little bit spicier. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. It smells really good on cold, and I've been having good luck with Better Homes and Gardens wax in my house, so I'm gonna try that one. But that's the only one that I picked up. There was nothing else, and I don't even think that's winter. I think that's a fall scent. I don't know. I was really looking for the candy cane and cream. Okay, my mom was calling. She's gonna meet me at the grocery store. What was I saying? Yeah, I'm looking for that candy cane and cream scent from Better Homes and Gardens. They did have the candle, and it smelled so freaking good. Ugh, oh my gosh, I just love mint. And it kind of had that like peppermint bark, like it almost smelled chocolatey, but not really. I don't know. And my friend Angie did tell me that, well, she didn't tell me, I think she said it in one of her videos, that it had like a chocolatey note to it. I think she said that. But yeah, the candle smelled amazing. I debated getting it just because I loved the scent so much, and they were really pretty candles. Maybe I should have got it. I just was really, I had my mind set on the wax, and they did not have it. I don't know if they had all this wax and it all sold out, or if they just haven't gotten it in yet. I don't know. you see candy cane and cream at your Walmart, let me know. Maybe I could look online. I need to order my son a game for his birthday, so maybe I'll look when I order that today. Because I forgot to look for the game while I was at the store. That would have been smart, but I forgot. Yeah, so heading to the grocery store now. I just have a few more things to pick up. Okay, just got out of the grocery store. Got all but one thing from the list, so I'll have to run in somewhere tomorrow when we take Ada to her doctor's appointment and hopefully find it then. Yeah, my mom met me here, so she got some stuff for Thanksgiving and just gave it to me a while, so it's at my house. Oh man, yeah, I'm ready to go home. I forgot to mention, I finally remembered my Sensi Go. I have it plugged in. I have autumn road trip pods in here. Yeah, it's on. And it smells amazing. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna catch up with you in a little bit. Hi friends, it is Tuesday. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm just getting a chance to check in. My daughter had a doctor's appointment. It's like a day-long thing, so I don't know. I have some wash I need to fold, maybe clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna make dinner. Not a whole lot going on, but let's go do that. Hi friends, today is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. I had a lot that I wanted to do today. It's already like 3 o'clock and I haven't really done anything. So I'm gonna get some food in the crock pot and I think I'll show you that while I'm making it. It's like a potato corn chowder. And then while that's cooking, because it only has to cook for a few hours on high, While that's cooking, I'm gonna like clean up, and then I would like to make the pumpkin cheesecake tonight so I don't have to make that tomorrow. I think that's all I'm gonna make tonight though. We'll see, but hopefully I can get some energy and get some stuff done. I've just been like so today. I would love to go get an iced coffee, but I'm refraining. So yeah, let's go make this chowder. I forgot, I wanted to show you guys this pizza my husband and I had for lunch. It was so good. I love the Daya, or Daya, however you say it. I love their pizzas because they're gluten-free and vegan. I got this at the grocery outlet, so it's hard to say if it's something that's coming or something that's going, because the grocery outlet, I feel like a lot of the time they have stuff that's not like in the regular grocery stores yet. And then sometimes they have things that are leaving the regular grocery stores. But I had never seen this one before, the mushroom and roasted garlic. So I feel like this is new, and it also has the new and improved recipe box. So I feel like this is a new one. I've never personally seen this before, but it was so good. So any of their pizzas, I just love. They're like my favorite pizzas. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that because it was like $2.99 I think at the grocery outlet, which is crazy cheap. These are like $8 or $9 usually when I get them. I should have grabbed more. I just don't have a ton of space in our fridge or freezer, so yeah, but I'll get more if I see them again. Okay, I put the potatoes and the corn, the stuff in the crock pot. And then I'll probably check it. Oh, it's very dark in here. I'll probably check it around 5:30. It's 3:30 now, so I'll probably check it around 5:30 and make sure the potatoes are tender. And then if they are, then I will add, it's like cream and butter, I think. And I'll put the recipe in the description box. But it's an easy like dinner for when you don't feel like cooking. Which the night before Thanksgiving I don't feel like cooking. But yeah, I'm gonna get some stuff cleaned up. I'm like just now finishing getting everything boxed up from Halloween, taking that downstairs. So squeaky floors again. Johnny, my sleepy kitty. Oh, Johnny Finn. Okay, it is 5:45, so I'm gonna check on the chowder. Don't mind the dead flowers in the background. I just checked to see if the potatoes are tender yet. There were no forks, so apparently I need to wash the dishes too. I feel like these need more time. Oh yeah, they need more time. So we'll check them in a little bit. Okay, I just cleaned up the dining room. Ignore the Halloween that is still left over there. I need to get another bin. I got 2 more bins filled, and this is what I have left of Halloween. So also the dying plant. There's a couple dying plants over here because hello, dying plant number 1. Dying plant number 2, I've been moving this one around. This is my rabbit's foot fern. I don't know what's happening. It was doing so well for so long, and it just recently started to like lose all its leaves. So I don't know. I moved it again. We'll see what happens there. But I have this Scentsy warmer out. You saw that in the last vlog if you watched it, but that's one of my favorites. some pumpkins in the corner cabinet. Yeah, all that Halloween over there. And then I just have this Pumpkin Woods candle from Homeworks that I just lit, and this like vintage tablecloth that felt like Thanksgiving to me, so that's the stove. Okay, the potatoes are tender. I feel like my crock pot is dying. Once the potatoes are tender, you just want to put in some cream, heavy cream. And like I said, I'll link the recipe below so it'll tell you exactly how much, but I just put in what I feel is right. And then just some butter. And again, the amount will be in the recipe, but I just kind of put in what feels right to me. So I'm gonna mix the cream in. And then I'm just gonna like put the butter on top, and I'll show you. I just put the butter on top like that, and then put the lid back on and cook it for a little longer. Like I'll probably leave that in for like half an hour, and then it should be done. And then just top with like salt, pepper. You can put like parsley on top. Usually I get bread for my husband and the kids to eat with this, like a French bread, but I forgot, and I'm not going to the store today. So we're just gonna have the potato corn chowder. I did just clean the kitchen, swept, mopped, got the dishes done. So I feel pretty good about tomorrow. I am going to start on the pumpkin cheesecake, so I'll show you guys how I make that. Hi friends, it's Thanksgiving. I hope you're all having a lovely Thanksgiving. I swear Archer knows as soon as I press record. Anyway, I am currently cooking. So far I have the corn done and I'm making these like pork chop things in the crock pot. Everything I make that I can link the recipe for, I will put in the description box. But let me go show you what I have going on so far. So this is the baked corn that I make. This is what my grandpa used to make for Thanksgiving, and it was my favorite thing, my favorite side dish. So I think I finally got it right this year. It's never quite like how his was, but it looks pretty close this year. It's kind of layered. Yeah, I'll probably have to type out the recipe for this below, but it looks good. I'm so excited. I just made cinnamon rolls. They're hot cocoa cinnamon rolls for the kids and my husband for breakfast this morning. And then this is like a cranberry, what is it, like a cranberry apple pork chop thing. I don't know. It looks like they're pretty cooked, so I'm gonna put the apples in soon. Actually, oh, it is on low. Okay, that's what I have done so far. So I'm about to like kick it into high gear and get the rest of the stuff cooked. Hey friends, it's Friday, Black Friday. My mom is heading over. Ina and I are gonna go out with her for a little bit. We plan to go to an antique store not too far from us, but we'll probably end up going a few other places. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys along for at least some of it. We'll see. Hello, it's Saturday. What was I even gonna say? Oh yeah, yesterday we went to a few different antique stores. We ended up going to 3 of them. The first one that we went to we had never been to before. The second one that we went to was way busier than it's ever been before, so I didn't record very much in there. And then the third one we went to was getting ready to close, so I don't think I recorded at all in there. But so I thought I would show you what I picked up at those thrift stores, and then that will be the end of this vlog, and then we'll start a new one. I think I'm gonna bring up the Christmas tree today. I'm like cleaning out a spot for it now, so that will probably be the start of the next vlog. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.